New at 6, ICU nurses and doctors across the state taking care of COVID-19 patients are getting much needed help after the state requested assistance. ABC Action News reporter Heather Lee showing us who is on the way.
Hospitals around the Bay Area are slamming.
We don't know where the end is.
And it's starting to drain doctors and nurses working long hours and tirelessly to help patients coming in with COVID-19.
There's specifically a very high demand right now for intensive care physicians.
Dr. Mansoor Khan is the senior vice president of Envision Healthcare. He says in working with the Department of Emergency Management, they're sending in 300 additional doctors and nurses to Florida to help ease the burden. Some of them will head to Pinellas County. They're joining Envision's 6,000 clinicians already based in the state.
I think we were very lucky to have an infrastructure in place to support something like this happening. I don't think anybody could have fathomed something like this happening.
He says pre-COVID, the Envoy team normally responds to natural disasters and emergencies across the country. Post-COVID-19, they've been sent to hotspots around the nation. Dr. Khan was in New Jersey during its peak and says coming home was hard because he couldn't be around his family. The raw reality clinicians everywhere are dealing with right now.
My 2-year-old wants to run and hug you when you get home, and you're telling your 2-year-old, back off.
He says many of the clinicians are already on their way.
Every clinician that I've talked to has stepped up and said, where can I help? It's never been, you know what, I'm not going to help because I'm scared.
And they will stay as long as the need is here. In Pinellas County, Heather Lee, ABC Action News.